Our Earth is an amazing place, full of life and wonder. From dense forests teeming with wildlife to vibrant flowers blooming with the seasons, our planet is a marvel of natural beauty and diversity. But our planet is changing rapidly. Clear skies over cities are now shrouded in smog, and forests are being cut down at an alarming rate. Pollution and deforestation are visible signs of environmental damage. Human activities like burning fossil fuels and deforestation release greenhouse gases, trapping heat and increasing Earth's temperature. The Earth's temperature is rising faster than ever. This warming causes glaciers to melt, sea levels to rise, and weather patterns to change. Animals struggle to adapt, crops wilt under heat, and communities face floods. Climate change impacts every aspect of life on Earth. We can still act. Transitioning to renewable energy and sustainable practices can mitigate climate change effects. Education and awareness are key. Simple actions like planting trees and using public transportation can make a significant impact. Together we can work towards a sustainable future. Human activities are releasing too many greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. Industrial processes, transportation and energy production are some of the main sources. Burning fossil fuels like coal, oil and gas for energy releases large amounts of carbon dioxide, a potent greenhouse gas. Deforestation is another significant factor. Forests absorb carbon dioxide, acting as natural carbon sinks. When forests are cut down or burned, this stored carbon is released back into the atmosphere, contributing to the greenhouse effect. The consequences are far-reaching: melting glaciers, rising sea levels, and more frequent extreme weather events. To combat this, we need to transition to renewable energy, protect forests, and adopt sustainable practices. The consequences of a warming planet are far-reaching and increasingly evident. Rising temperatures are causing glaciers and ice caps to melt at alarming rates, leading to rising sea levels. This poses a significant threat to coastal communities and ecosystems. Extreme weather events are becoming more frequent and intense. Heat waves are lasting longer and becoming hotter, leading to heat stroke and wildfires. Droughts are becoming more severe, impacting agriculture and water resources. Heavy rainfall is causing more frequent and devastating floods, displacing communities and damaging infrastructure. These changes are not just statistics. They are impacting real people, animals, and ecosystems around the world. Climate change impacts every aspect of our lives, but together we can work towards solutions. Wild weather and shifting habitats are direct results of climate change. Many plant and animal species are struggling to adapt to the rapidly changing conditions. Rising temperatures are disrupting ecosystems, forcing some species to migrate to cooler regions, while others face shrinking habitats. Coral reefs, often called the rainforests of the sea, are highly sensitive to temperature changes. Ocean warming and acidification are causing widespread coral bleaching, threatening these diverse and vital ecosystems. Climate change is also impacting weather patterns, leading to more extreme and unpredictable events. This can disrupt migration patterns, breeding cycles, and food availability for many species. Section 6. Every action counts for a sustainable future. Our everyday choices have the power to shape a more sustainable future. By adopting eco-friendly habits, we can collectively make a significant difference. Recycling is a simple yet effective way to reduce waste and conserve resources. By sorting our waste and recycling paper, plastic, glass, and metal, we can reduce the amount of garbage sent to landfills. Supporting sustainable businesses and products is another important step. Look for products with minimal packaging and choose companies committed to sustainable practices. By supporting businesses that prioritize environmental responsibility, we can encourage a shift towards a greener economy. Section 8. A call to action. Be the change you want to see. The time for action is now. We cannot afford to wait for others to solve this problem. Each and every one of us has a role to play in creating a more sustainable future. Let us be the generation that turns the tide on climate change. Let us be the voice for our planet and the stewards of its future. By embracing sustainable practices, raising awareness and demanding action, we can create a world where both people and nature can thrive. Subscribe to our channel for more on sustainable living and join us in making a difference.